And for those essential employees out there, those on the front lines, we just want to say thank you.
Thank you.
We are keeping you in our prayers and our thought, and know that you are loved and appreciated out here. And this is my mom.
Hi, I'm Alisa.
And we are back in the kitchen with another recipe for you all today. We are in the kitchen today making a recipe for something to help us all have some calm, have some peace as we go through some of these trying times in our country and across the globe. And so what are we making today, Mom?
So today we're making a body scrub, also known as a body polisher.
Okay. The reason we wanted to do this is to help us calm down, to help relieve some stress. Yes. This is just a way for us to do that at home with some things that we probably already have in our kitchen. So stay tuned with us and follow along with the recipe so you can make your own body polisher.
So let's get started.
Okay.
Make sure you gather all your utensils. Wash your hands before you do so.
Okay.
Right. And that's what we're going to do first.
Yep. Wash your hands. I'm going to say this like 5 million times, but I really want a Baby Shark version of wash your hands. I think it would be so helpful for society and the kids. So whoever made it, can you make it again and just put wash your hands in there instead? Now that our hands are all nice and clean, what are the ingredients that we'll be using today, Mom?
Well, some of the things we may have in our kitchen already. Some light brown sugar. Any type, doesn't matter.
It can be dark brown too.
Yes.
We don't discriminate.
No. I use them both in my scrubs. All right. So this is 18 ounces of light brown sugar. A little bit, like a half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Refined shea butter.
Okay.
And we're going to use a cup of that today. A half a cup of, today we have organic coconut oil, which is just fine. Yeah, we're really fancy. And if you just have regular coconut oil, it's fine. It's going to do well on your skin either way. Today I have midnight vanilla.
Okay.
And I'm going to use about 15 drops of that. And also have some lavender oil, essential oil, and I'm going to use about 20 drops of that. You can vary the amount of the drops of the oils that you use to the scent that you want, how strong or how light you want it to be.
My mom has the lavender and the vanilla, and I have decided to use some tea. I know you all are probably like, tea? Who uses tea?
It's still relaxing and good for your skin.
It is, and this is chamomile and lavender tea. And so we are taking these nice little tea leaves and putting them to work. I'm quite sure you all have some kind of chamomile, or you may have lavender. You may have some kind of tea that just smells good and it gives this wonderful aroma. You can use that in your scrubs too. So these are dual purpose items that we have in our house. So I wanted to show you all how to use something we already have in our cabinets. Yes. A body scrub. It's delicious too.
Tastes good too.
Don't eat your body scrub.
You'll be tempted to though.
Don't eat it.
So let's get started.
Yes.
I'm going to dump the whole package of brown sugar. Atira's going to use half.
Okay.
Put that there. I already have my half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. I already have Atira's.
Oh yeah, thank you.
One of her oils already there. So I'm going to use my 15 drops of vanilla.
Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour my shea and my coconut oil in here because I have a little less ingredients. And you just did what?
My 20 drops of lavender oil.
Okay.
Next I'm going to add my refined shea butter. Look at that.
She's very excited about the shea butter.
I love this.
So we just go ahead and mix it up?
And we're just going to mix this up today.
Okay. And you all know I always make a small batch.
Yes, she loves to make her small batch. You also notice that I have containers here. They're all 8-ounce containers. You can use them. Sometimes if you have other containers left over, you can also use them.
So, Mom, what have you been doing outside of making body scrubs to help you relax?
Well, I've been meditating.
Yeah, I've been meditating as well. I also love to exercise, and so
Yes.
it is essential to get up and get your body moving throughout the day. And it's important to make sure that you stay mobile, because while you're working at home or you're at home a lot more than you're used to, it's easy to just sit down, but your body doesn't like being that sedentary.
Yes.
So it's better to get up and try to move around at least for 10 minutes every hour, and to have at least 30 minutes of exercise every day, whether that's walking outside, going up and down some steps, taking your dog for a walk, getting up and walking in place using some of those YouTube videos that are out there to help you walk in place in the house. Just get up and get moving.
Yes. Do not let yourself get sedentary.
Right. So that's why we are bonding together by making some body scrubs, because it's also a part of self-care.
Yes.
And self-care is key during this time when we're in the house for prolonged periods of time. Some of us alone. Some of us do not have people that live in the house with us. And we need to take care of our physical health and well-being, our spiritual health and well-being, and our mental and emotional health and well-being. And so self-care is key. Read a book, do a painting, maybe even make this body scrub.
Yes, that will be really great. And this is even good. You can use this for kids. You can make it with different fun scents like watermelon, peppermint, bubble gum, and just make it fun. And you will find that the times when you can't get those kids in the tub, put a little mask on them and say, hey, we're having spa day.
Are we ready to put them in the...
Oh yes, we are most definitely ready to put these in our containers. I'm just going to use my little scoop here.
And I'm going to use my spatula. So just some key facts we want to make sure you leave with. And the first one is cost. So this costs about $40 right, in total, and so between $6 to $7 per jar. And we made 2, but you could have definitely made about 4, and I could have made an extra 1, so that would give you 6. And then what about storage and use?
Because you can store these in your shower. They will not go bad. It's made from all natural ingredients. Well, you can use these scrubs about 3 or 4 times a week. Because they're very gentle on the skin, and they do the job very well, as you can see.
Well, thank you for joining us in the kitchen again, sharing this recipe for a nice moisturizing, relaxing scrub. And remember to like and share, and
leave a comment below.
Let us know if you make the scrub. Send us a picture, put it under our post, and let us know if you changed any of the oils or ingredients that you had in your cabinet. So thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.